In this video, friends, I will show with you how to contact FACEIT support team. So guys, if you're interested, let's get started. First, open your Google and search for FACEIT, this one keyword, and scroll just this option, submit a request. From submitting a request, guys, all you have to do, write your email address, and then write your contact reason, for example subscription or reports or something like this, and then write your subject here, guys, your unique subject, for example payments or something like this. After that, add your description section from this section, and then this is optional, so you can add attachments on your computers, and then click submit your request. This is how you can do, guys, to reach FACEIT support team. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video, guys. If you have any problem, you can reach me on the comment section, and I will happy to answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching, guys. Just follow simple steps.